Today we will learn about the latest techniques in 2025 to get rid of cataract. Let's first understand what cataract is. A cataract is a condition in which natural lens of our eye, which is normally transparent, turns white, making it difficult to see clearly. Cataract is a very common issue and almost every person develops it between the age of 50 and 60. In early stages, cataract can be treated easily, but treating them in the late or mature stage can be a bit complicated. If not treated on time, cataract can lead to vision loss. The only treatment for cataract is surgery. Cataract surgery is a safe and painless process that takes only 10 minutes. During the surgery, the doctor removes the clouded natural lens and replaces it with a new artificial lens. This not only helps you to see clearly again, but also significantly reduces your need for glasses. There are several techniques available for this, and today we will explore the latest and the safest cataract surgery options in 2025 that are fast, effective and safe for your eyes. Let's start with phacoemulsification, which is most commonly used cataract surgery technique. It uses an ultrasound machine to break down the cloudy lens, which is then removed through a small incision. In this surgery, a 3.2 mm incision is made in the eye. Since the cut is very small, it usually heals on its own by the next day and patient recovers quickly. An advanced version of phaco is MICS or micro-incision cataract surgery, where incision size is reduced to just 2 mm, about the size of a pen tip. This allows for even faster healing. A soft, highly foldable lens is implanted in the eye to complete the surgery. This method is now also very widely popular. Both these surgeries are safe, successful and widely practiced. Now let's talk about the most advanced and safest technique, robotic cataract surgery with AI, also known as FLACS or femtosecond laser assisted cataract surgery. This is a highly precise method that uses femtosecond laser technology combined with artificial intelligence. Since there is minimal human involvement, the chances of human error are eliminated, making it the world's safest cataract surgery. The latest machine used for robotic cataract surgery is Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo, which is US FDA approved. Aimanta is the first hospital in North India to introduce this advanced technology. Now let's discuss it in detail, why robotic AI cataract surgery is better than the other techniques. So first is bladeless corneal incision. The first step in cataract surgery is making an incision in the cornea. In phaco or MICS surgery, this incision is made using a blade, which can sometimes result in an uneven cut, leading to post-surgery irritation. Robotic surgery uses a laser to make the incision without any blade, resulting in a more precise and comfortable recovery. Second, it reduces the chances of astigmatism. Blade incision can alter the shape of the cornea, causing astigmatism, which can lead to a minor number of 0.5 to 1 after surgery, which can affect the result. This is called as surgically induced astigmatism. Robotic surgery, being bladeless, avoids this issue, delivering better results, especially for those opting for premium lenses to get rid of glasses completely. Third, cylindrical power correction. Around 60% of the cataract patients have natural cylindrical power between 0.25 to 0.75 and 30% have more than 1. While power above 1 can be corrected with toric lenses, smaller power cannot be. Phaco and MICS cannot correct these small cylindrical powers, but with Femto Z8 Neo, AI-assisted incision can be planned to reduce or eliminate even small cylindrical errors, improving focus and vision after surgery. Fourth is precise capsulotomy. The second step of cataract surgery involves creating a circular opening in the lens capsule. In manual surgery, this cut can be off-center or irregular, sometimes even tearing. Robotic laser ensures a perfectly round and centered capsulotomy, enabling the artificial lens to fit precisely, giving better alignment and visual outcomes. Fifth, precise lens fragmentation. The third step in cataract surgery is lens fragmentation, breaking the natural lens into pieces for removal. In phaco, this is done using ultrasound energy, which can cause inflammation or damage the surrounding structure. The Femto Z8 Neo uses a unique low energy technique which is patented, and unavailable in any other machine so far, reducing the risk of swelling and protecting surrounding structures. As a result, recovery is quicker and discomfort is reduced. Sixth, ideal for mature or hard cataract. When patient delays surgery, cataract becomes hard and difficult to break using phaco, making the surgery risky. Robotic laser easily breaks down mature cataract with minimal complications, making it the only safe option in such cases. Lastly, smooth lens implantation. The final step is lens implantation. Because the capsulotomy and fragmentation are so precise in robotic surgery, the new lens fits perfectly in place, ensuring the best possible results. So to summarize, since the laser machine is computer controlled, it works with great accuracy and precision, eliminating the risk of human error, especially in complicated cases like mature cataract or weak lens capsule. Robotic cataract surgery makes the entire procedure safe and smoother. iMantra offers all three latest technologies: phaco, MICS, and robotic cataract surgery. While robotic cataract surgery usually costs Rs 50,000 extra, iMantra offers it starting at just Rs 25,000. So if you have cataract and want to get rid of it, call our helpline number today and book your free consultation. You can also comment below for more information.